to another box break here on Dynasty Central Sports. And yes, it is box 4 of SP Signature Editions Legends Hockey. I love this product. It's been a fun rip. Just finally ripping some veteran names and alumni names, the legend names out there. Not having to worry about hitting a big time rookie. Just love to hit the big names out there. So this has been a really fun set. I'm not going to talk too much longer on this. This is box 4. Let's get ripped. All right, really enjoy this product. We're going to be ripping a bowl after this first stack. I'm going to switch it up. Rip a bowl after this first stack, and if everything looks good, might have a last pack slow roll with a smoke out. We'll see how this box goes. A box 4 of SP Signature Editions Legends. Got this at Valley Sports Cards in Tarzana. Go check them out. Jonas Hoagland. We got Ron Hextall, Randy Carlisle, Brian McClellan, and a UD canvas of Tim Hunter. UD canvas legend of Tim Hunter, famed Hunter family of the NHL. It's a cool card. Tim Hunter for the Calgary Flames. Kevin Miller. We got Dominant Digits coming up. Trevor Linden behind there. Bryce Salvador. Brent Ashton. And Bernie Parent. Dominant Digits. Riho Ruotsalainen. We got Dennis Savard. Don Edwards with the Play It Again sports gear. We got Mikael Anderson and a canvas Legends of Mark Messier. It's a pretty cool card. Mark Messier, canvas Legends. Moose, big time name. Mike Kitchen. Wayne Gretzky with the Rangers. Yes, that's a nice base card. We got Al Iafrate, Scarlet King, Craig Mooney, and what's this? Signature Editions, Henrik Zetterberg. That's a gorgeous autograph.
Come. I have.
That one I will definitely take. Henrik Zetterberg autograph on card. Yes, one to keep for sure. Henrik Zetterberg. Crazy, this one's backwards. Why was it backwards? Of all the cards in the... I've never had any of the other cards be backwards, but...
Man, the backwards man. Backwards man, the backwards man. The backwards man, the backwards man.
That is really cool autograph to start off. Henrik Zetterberg. What a cool card. Cool autograph as well. Mike Hebson. Scott Hannon. Evolve of Sammy Salo. Goes from the Ottawa Senators, Vancouver Canucks, then Tampa Bay Lightning. It's a crazy guy to have in there. Not really exciting, but Steve Thomas and John LeClaire to finish up that pack. Fun fact, Sammy Salo took it in the nuts.
It hit traffic in front as the horn sound. Late in the first period.
Oh no! Patrick O'Sullivan. Whew. Thank God that was just a gold script of Peter Budaj. Whew. Thank God. Michelson.
You know what time it is?
Because it's 4:20 somewhere. I know that.
Wilson. Corey Cross. And a Wayne Gretzky base. Kings jersey. Jeez, Peter Budaj gold scripts. That would have been sad, I guess. But I don't know. I'd be happy because I got that Zetterberg. But it is Peter Budaj. So, all right, let's rip a bowl real fast and enjoy this box of SP Signature Editions Legends. Already started off pretty nice with a Henrik Zetterberg on-card auto. Nice auto. Looks like there's even a heart in it. It's like he wrote a heart for me. Thanks, Dynasty Central, for pulling my card. All right, let's rip a bowl. Then we're going to go into the last 2 stacks, and maybe we'll have a last pack slow roll and a smoke out at the same time. Let's go. Gino Ojic, Yari Curry. We got Decagon's Gold, which means it's an auto.
I love gold.
Gilles Meloche, Rick Chartra, and Decagon's Gold auto is Mark Messier. What a box! This is awesome. Mark Messier Gold Decagon's auto to go with the Henrik Zetterberg auto. Wow.
It makes my taco pop.
This is, what a product. What a product. Sorry, Nordy, you're getting demoted. You gotta go to the corner because Mark Moose Messier. And I was just thinking when I pulled that Mark Messier canvas, and I was just thinking, what if I would love to pull a Mark Messier autograph. How cool would that be? And then boom, Decagon's Mark Messier on-card auto. 2 legends in an actual Legends box. Take that product name. Chris Thorburn. We got Dominant Digits of Patrick Waugh. Heck yeah, that's a nice one. Andreas Lilia, Brian Soupy Campbell, and Felix the Cat Potvin. Throwing all the nicknames in there right now because they got all those nicknames. Those back when players got better nicknames. Ores Kindertruck. We got Rich Pilon. UD Canvas. Legends of Joey Koser. Tough guy, Joey Koser. We got Mike Gartner and Johan Garpenlov in the back. Dennis Ververgeert. Evolve of Pat LaFontaine. Steve Shutt. Terry O'Reilly. And Lanny McDonald. Sean Podine. Gold script of Glenn Anderson. Brian McCabe. Wendell Clark. And Barrett Jackman. Calder Trophy winner Barrett Jackman. Jason Marshall. Johnny Bauer. Profiles of Martin Brodeur. Chris Pronger and Michelle Goulet. Last stack, and then we're gonna do a last pack slow roll no matter what. I promise. Danius Zubris. Bernie Perrant. We got a gold autograph of Steve Ruchin. 3 autos in this box. Steve Ruchin, and not a bad name. I mean, not a great name, but still. Matthew Dandino and Billy Smith. And we got a 3rd auto. Hell yeah, I'll take that. Love this product. With 2 legend autos too. Magnus Arvidsson, Jody Hall, Dominant Digits of Jaromir Jagr, Gord Murphy, and Esa Tikkanen. Eddie Olchuk. We got a UD canvas of Robert Picard. And what a cool helmet. He has the old-time Jova with the visor, 1st generation visor. That's pretty cool. We got Joey Neuendijk, Mario Marawa, and Dallas Smith from Boston.
Cleveland. He was from Detroit. And Tex with... Well, I don't remember where Tex come from.
Jocelyn Lemieux, who is Claude Lemieux's brother. We got Brian Leach, Brian Holzinger from Parma, Ohio. We got Decagons back there, John Van Beesbrook. And who is the Decagons? Nice full head of hair, that's what he is. That's Tim Hunter for the Calgary Flames. Tim Hunter got his canvas card as well, so it is a Tim Hunter Legend box. I just love this product, to be honest, and I hope you enjoy watching me rip this product. Lauren Henning. We got an Evolve Brett Hall. Calgary, St. Louis, Detroit. Brian Trottier, Bobby Nystrom, and Harold Snippus.
That's Harold Snaps.
I can't Harold, I cannot fucking pronounce that. I'll pop it up on there. I feel bad. It's one of the ones I could just not say. All right, we got a last pack, and I promised we would do a last pack slow roll, even though we already know we're not getting an auto in this one. This is 3 autos in this box, and they're 2 legendary players. Mark Messier Decagons, and then we got that Henrik Zetterberg regular base gold auto. Gosh, gorgeous. I'm just going to do a quick small bowl in this one, and we're going to do a last pack slow roll as well. So, lights, music, slow roll. Let's go. Mike Lawler, John Michael Lyles, Saku Koivu, Shane Corson, Guy Schwannard, Gold Scripts. Alright, that was a last pack slow roll, and we got a gold script, Guy Schwannard. Man, I thoroughly enjoy this product. I cannot say that enough. Let's go over the cards that I just didn't give sleeves to, but I probably will eventually. Evolve Brett Hall, Dominant Digits, Jaromir Jagr. I don't know why I didn't give that one a sleeve, and a top loader. Pat LaFontaine, Evolve, Dominant Digits, Patrick Waugh, and a Sammy Salo Evolve as well. Cards that got sleeves. We got Guy Schwannard, Gold Scripts, UD Canvas, Robert Picard, Profiles of Martin Brodeur, Gold Scripts, a Glenn Anderson, UD Canvas, a Joey Kocur. We got a Peter Budaj Gold Scripts. I know they're not called Gold Scripts, but pretty much that's what I'm calling them. Base Gretzky on the Kings. We got a base Gretzky on the Rangers. We got a UD Canvas, Mark Messier. That's where I thought maybe I'll get a Mark Messier autograph. Bernie Perrant, Dominant Digits, and a UD Canvas of Tim Hunter. Called my shot, but I didn't say it out loud, so it doesn't count. All right, we got a Decagons of Tim Hunter in the top-loaded cards. Steve Ruchin on card auto. Really nice autograph. Steve Ruchin, good player for the Anaheim Ducks. Anaheim Mighty Ducks at the time. And then we got a Henrik Zetterberg autograph. One of my favorite Red Wings players of all time. Gorgeous on-card auto. Clean as fuck. Billy Mays is looking down right now at this auto and coming in his heavenly pants just because how clean it is. Henrik Zetterberg. Gorgeous autograph. And then a Decagons Mark Messier auto. Gold Decagons. What did you think of box 4 of SP Signature Editions Legends? Yeah, I'm glad I went for 2 more boxes. I might go for a couple more from Valley Sports Cards because they got a couple more left and a fairly good price. So thank you to Connor for hooking me up with a great box. 2 great boxes that he picked out of the case, and this one was awesome as the best box I've pulled in a while. So thank you for watching. Smash like down below, hit subscribe, and throw me a comment. Love to hear from you on this one. And yeah, remember, happy tokes with your smokes and safe ripping. We'll see you